Dear Dr. Nali, this video is especially for you for making of collaborative courses. So, as we all know, in my previous video, I've already said that how come came started in week 2 and the group ecology was formed in week 4. I'll show you what are my collaboration, what are my contribution in it. I'll show you. See, I have made my contribution in 2 ways. The first way is this teacher practice area. So we'll be going here in the teacher practice area first, and it will take us to the topics in teacher practice area. So since my topic was topic 9, so I have mentioned here topic 9 by Lakshmi Nega, need and ways of saving drinking water, an introduction. So these are the different activities I have added. That whosoever is doing it, they have to give their introduction, and then inviting views on different 4 sources of drinking water, so sources available on earth. This will make them aware about. This will make them aware about. How much drinking water is available on earth, and what different areas which is seminar conducted. So you can see here seminar conducted for students to make them aware about their ecology system. Here section forum में there are not result community right now, that has not been worked, but then this is how it will be done. Then resources. So I have added this section, glossary for water conservation. It will also help. It will help in 2 ways. First of all, it will make people aware about ecology, and second thing is it will increase their vocabulary. So here is the link I have given. I have shared. You can see. So this is the link, and people can go through. There are so many words. If they want to add, if somebody want to add a word, they can go back and add a new entry. See the way I did here. Desalination of seawater, rain harvesting I have given letters with 2 and D and R, rain harvesting, harvesting and desalination of seawater. So if you want to link it somewhere, if you want to entry link, or you want to delete, you can delete. If you want to edit entry, you can do addition. If you want to export it to portfolio, it can also be done. And moreover, if you want to make a comment, so there is a space, you can make a comment as well. And if you want to make another entry, you can add. This is the link. You can make another entry, add a new entry. I'll click here and I'll show you how come it is done, how come it is all done. Let me tell you. See, suppose processing used water. So this is basically a process. This is basically a process. This is basically a process where used water from household is recycled and used in farming or other ways. This is basically a chemical process, a chemical and technical process which removes impurities from dirty or used household water. So you can save changes here, and you'll see how come saving changes. You'll see, so I have added 3 new words here. Meanwhile, also. Copy link it, then I'll add it into my Padlet wall. So that it will not take me more time. So I'll save it here. Simultaneously I'm adding all these links on my Padlet wall so that it will reduce my work and I don't have to visit the same sites again and again. Alright, so again I'll be here in this glossary, so you can see save changes. Yes, I did the save changes. So I hope it was done, but I think it's taking time. Bit longer. It has taken. So Dr. Nelly, can you see? I hope this time you would be convinced that this is my contribution actually in my ecology course. All these vocabularies I'm adding and the activities I've introduced for my process concept already. Oh, it says the concept already exists. Okay, fine. So I have to do something else. I can okay. Reusing. Alright, reusing used water. Reusing used water. Let me see what does it say now. Does it accept it or what? Oh, it says that it is already there, so maybe it has accepted. Maybe some other person has already used it. Let me see what comes out exactly finally. Oh, you can see here it's taking time. Let's see, I keep my fingers crossed that it does not take a lot of time so that you people feel it says again that it is already existing, so I need to do something else. So saving making different. I need to write something here, something else here. Yes, reusing kitchen water. Right, so I think it's been added. Let me see. To topic 9, let's say auto linking. So this is how it can be done here. Definitely, this is one thing, and then this is another thing, that is copy of syllabus. I'll tell you how I got into this page. For this, first of all, again we need to go to this my courses, Moodle for teachers. Here in week 4 we need to go really. So this is my contribution here in teacher practice area. I've added a topic number 9, and now I'll show you what changes, what contribution I've made in making of the syllabus, right? So yes, I'll show you. This was a copy of my syllabus, you can see here, and I've already shared the link. You can see technology I've used, what is the different technology I'll be using, and duration of the course, who is the course for, audience, who is the course for. The audience, this course is basically meant for the student and faculties to make them aware about the challenge in front of our ecology system, and duration of the course is 3 weeks. You can see 3 weeks. So week 1 is all about general introduction of ecology system. Views are invited from both students as well as faculty about ecology system. Write up on any. So student will be asked to write up any particular ecological system locality. So So entries will be invited, and then suggestions are invited, right? And then this was done this way, and then we have to do what? We have to copy the link from here. Platform, oh sorry, I forgot to share the technology. Yes, the technology tools I'll be using: Google Docs, Screencast-O-Matic, and Zoom Mobile Online app, all the tools used by our dear Dr. Nelly. So now what we have to do next here, we just simply copy the link from here, right? You have to copy the link, and then here when we go here back, so in week 4, so here in the add a new discussion topic, we have to share this link. We have to share this link with our group members. So I need to link it. Oh, it was already there. Create link. Adding vocabulary, right? So post to forum. So it has been successfully added. So this was the thing, Dr. Nelly. This is my collaboration and still going on. Once I start working on it, I'll do it for sure with my students. And then hope you have liked it this time. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have watched it, since almost people have been awarded their certificate, so I expect that pretty less people will be watching it. You can see only my name is there. Lakshmi Abdul Kader is also there, but he's been awarded his with his certificate. Sean Rogers is also there. Delhi Borka and Sean Rogers and Besma, and all these people have already talked about their things. So thank you for watching. Thanks a lot everyone. Hope you've understood and I've been successful, dear Dr. Nelly. Maybe this time you will be satisfied with my video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice